Welcome to our channel, Computer Science Educators. In this short video, you're going to learn the techniques of how to achieve a higher grade in your OCR Computer Science GCSE. Firstly, you're going to be able to understand this specification. You need to focus on Python practice, coding daily. You're not just to watch coding videos, you are to type, test, and debug, and do this as often as you can. Use past papers to get familiar with how questions are marked and the command words. Revise using visual tools like flashcards and diagrams. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You must believe in yourself. Okay? Have loads of resilience and keep going. Computer science is logical and you can succeed. Okay? Subscribe for more tips and support. You've got this.